here in freaking fun Mackinac City.
Yeah, we made it, man. 4-hour drive. We made it to what they call around here is Hotel Alley.
You got Riverside Inn, you got this inn, you got that inn. Oh, you got the Tesla
ferry.
chargers.
That's where we can get on for the ferry.
That's where the ferry is. You got lakefront rooms in. You got Dixie Salon. Park for $10. Think we'll pass. Well, we have made it to the strip. He wants slushies and fudge. Well, he wants the candy store. It's out of order. Candy store. Can't get it. Got video proof. A giant sucker. Not that I'm gonna buy it, but Jesus Christ, it's the size of my head. Here, yeah, I'm kind of excited for this one. Oh, look at him. He's a fudge maker. Oh, look at that. Look at all that chocolate.
You think we can get that to go?
I want all of that. I've never seen a fudge turd so big. Big old turd. Definitely gotta hit up the chocolate shop. Candy, 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 turd candy.
Those are bananas.
Turd candies. Fudge. Look at it. Oh, this one's got pretty little designs on them. What is up, y'all? We have been walking around town for the last, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Who knows? Whatever time we got here. It's not that
ferry
time.
town. There ain't nothing but a bunch of ferries. You go out on the water.
Obviously, there's a lot of shops. A lot of the shops look the same. So
Every t-shirt shop looked the same. They all sold the same t-shirts.
So we're not going to record all the shops, but we're going to walk to the beach. Show you the beach. Right near the beach.
Right near the beach, man. Boy.
Quit screaming. Right here. I got nothing. Oh, we made it to the beach. Yo, why is the sun always behind me? It always makes my videos look white. We just left the beach. It's a little cold, but it's beautiful over there, as you can tell in the videos. He's amazed by this multi-million-dollar house behind us. But yeah, look at it. Whatevs. Going back to Jerry. Probably head back to camp, chill there for a little bit, maybe have a fire. We'll see. As far as that, I don't know. All right. We're in Jerry. We got her buttoned up for the night. Got the windows all buttoned up, as you can tell. You can't really see over here because it's dark. His stuff is ready there. My
Total
stuff is
chill
ready
mode
up top.
engaged.
Let me turn this on so you can see. There's my bed for the night. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, but it definitely will work. And yeah, we're gonna sit, chill, smoke us one of these,
Maybe 6.
right? And got the fan going, got the electricity hooked up, and we'll be good for the night.